Mastering skills on the go, unpacking, learning on the fly. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that you might come across in English conversations or workplaces: learning on the fly. This expression is rich in meaning, and understanding it can help you navigate various situations where quick adaptation and learning are required. So, if you've ever wondered what it means to learn something on the fly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Learning on the fly refers to the process of acquiring knowledge, skills, or understanding while doing something, rather than through formal education or training beforehand. It implies a high level of adaptability and the ability to quickly grasp new concepts or procedures without prior preparation. This type of learning is common in fast-paced environments where immediate results are needed, and there isn't enough time for traditional training methods. To put learning on the fly into context, let's look at some real-life scenarios. In the workplace, imagine you're given a new software tool to use for a project, and there's no time for a formal training session. You'd be expected to learn how to use it effectively by exploring its features as you go along. In personal situations, perhaps you're traveling to a country where you don't speak the language. You might learn basic phrases and how to get around as you interact with locals and navigate through your days. These examples show that learning on the fly is all about improvisation and resilience in the face of new challenges. Learning on the fly can be daunting, but here are some tips to make it easier. Stay calm and open-minded. Stress can hinder your ability to absorb new information. Approaching the situation with a positive attitude can make a significant difference. Break tasks into smaller steps. This makes it easier to tackle complex tasks by focusing on one aspect at a time. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from those around you. It's a fast track to understanding new concepts. Reflect on your learning. Take a moment to think about what you've learned and how you can apply it in the future. This reflection solidifies your new knowledge. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to be learning on the fly and how you can harness this skill in various aspects of your life. Remember, the ability to quickly adapt and learn new things is a valuable skill in today's ever-changing world. So, embrace the challenges and view them as opportunities to grow. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.